Do you remember the first time you rode a bike? The places you would go on your new wheels. But fast forward a few years, and somewhere between your first date, traffic jams, and global warming, bikes just don't feel the same anymore.
This is Flux Electric Bike.
We started Flux because we found one of the ultimate joys of our childhood. At times just felt like a grind. We're on a mission to put the fun back into cycling and more happy riders onto cycles. Flux is simple, just turn it on and go. In pedal assist mode, Flux is exactly like riding a normal bike, just easier and faster. Don't want to pedal? You don't have to. Just push the throttle and you'll speed through the city with no effort at all. The location of the motor is a key factor in making this bike so special. Unlike most electric bikes on the market, which have their motor in the hub, ours is located in between the pedals. This takes mechanical advantage of the bike's Shimano 9-speed gears, meaning you can climb hills easier and hit top speeds quicker. Couple this efficient drivetrain with an industry-crushing 17 amp-hour lithium battery, and you can flux for 46 miles on full power. The battery has a key lock for security and can be removed in a second. Take it with you and recharge wherever you want. It even features a USB port, so you can charge all of your devices on the go. By harnessing advanced technology and elegant design, Flux bikes are your wheels for the modern world, giving you the power to zip past traffic, explore further and climb higher than ever before.
We've put these bikes through their paces on the most challenging courses we could find. They're battle tested and designed to take a beating. Stay in control with powerful hydraulic disc brakes and Suntour suspension. When you get to the bottom, you can just power back up in record time, ready to go again and again.
We've got 3 exciting models ready for production. We need your help to build critical mass and bring the cost of production down. With your backing and our expertise, we're going to bring you a bike that will change the way you think about riding forever.
So stop wasting money on gas, leave the car in the garage, come Flux with us to a more sustainable future. Happy riding, guys. Thanks for watching.
Folding bikes haven't changed in over 30 years. They use small wheels and hinged frames that sacrifice performance and rideability in order to achieve a compact size. They are heavy, awkward to use, but worst of all, they don't actually fold that small. We wanted to create a folding bike with big wheels. A bike that looks, rides, and feels like a normal bike, but could still fold small. Smaller than any other folding bike. It also had to be lightweight, easy to use, and exceptionally safe. Introducing Helix. Helix is a revolutionary new folding bike. It has 24-inch wheels, a one-piece titanium frame, and a patent-pending locking system that is free of hinges and clamps. Helix can go anywhere. Ride it to work, put it in the trunk of your car for your next road trip, take it on your next vacation. We set out to design a modern folding bike that didn't compromise rideability for size. Using patent-pending helical hinges, we were able to put the wheels beside the frame and between the crank arms. Helix was created using modern computer-aided design and manufacturing processes. It uses the latest bicycle technologies. Helix improves on decades-old folding bike designs in every possible way. It rides better, folds smaller, and is safer and easier to use. Manufacturing a folding bike is difficult. Manufacturing a folding bike that pushes the limits of performance, compactness, and usability requires a hands-on approach and a high level of control over the entire process. That's why Helix will be made in Canada. We're a group of designers, engineers, and manufacturing experts. We're also passionate cyclists. Our goal is to make the best folding bike in the world. We will oversee the entire manufacturing process right here at home. We're ready and excited to go. With your help, we can make it happen.
I was sick at the time and I was on crutches, and I saw electric bike, which was $4,000 electric bike, and I said, with all my manufacturing background experience, I could really redesign this bike and engineer certain aspects of this bike in a way where it could become affordable to everyone. That's how it all began. Bike's got thumb throttles, so you just push down on it and you go. You can ride it full electric or use the pedal assist. If you want to give yourself a little bit more exercise, you ride with pedal assist. If you want to just go pure electric, you go pure electric. Not needing to pedal all the time and just being able to just zip along at 20 miles per hour speed. Just the whole idea that you can ride these long distances pretty effortlessly is an amazing aspect of e-bike. So you can really use it for a short hops, to work or to store or to go to a coffee shop. That's the future, where people will be more conscious and aware of the fact that there's alternative to their vehicles. On our previous crowdfunding campaign, we had a tremendous success. We raised over $6 million. We sold bike to 67 countries worldwide. I can't thank enough our early backers and people who believed in me and in what I was building for them. So it's the most humbling experience ever. And just to have this kind of support from the communities is a tremendous honor to experience. And I just can't wait to grow that base with this new campaign. This is the last run of bikes we're going to do for 2015, so if you would like to get your hands on one, please go to campaign page and reserve a bike for yourself.
Every bike frame stacks 207 folded layers, which leads to a light yet stiff bike frame. The same carbon fiber material is used in the military and aerospace. We designed our integrated cycling computer, Smart Control, to provide you with tons of cycling data in real time. Our road bike is designed with interchangeable, integrated lights, improving both aesthetics and performance. While designing the Leopard, we pushed boundaries like never before. Our bike is aerodynamic and doesn't have visible wires at all, reducing air resistance and maximizing style.
We're Taga, a family bike company. For the last 7 years, we've been creating bike strollers that are loved and enjoyed all around the globe. This is our latest project, and we do not hesitate when we say this is the next step in the evolution of family bikes. See, 3 years ago, we searched for our next project. We turned to a lot of people and asked them what they would want in a family bike. Some answers were strange.
Can you make it fly?
Some were eye-opening.
Young babies should be facing their parents.
And some were just adorable.
I want a water gun.
We listened and set out to create the ultimate family bike. For 2 years, we made sketches, prototypes, studied materials, carried out experiments, and explored every aspect a family bike should have. Basically, we reinvented the family bike. This is the Taga 2.0, the most comfortable, safe, easy to ride, practical, and just all-around coolest family bike you could possibly imagine. The Taga 2 has everything our customers wanted and much more. Safety first. Taga has 3 wheels, so it's inherently stable. The cargo box materials are super strong plastics with a metal frame inside that makes the seating area durable and resistant to impact. The child seats themselves have endless features and options. Taga can take 1 or 2 kids, facing forwards, backwards, or facing each other for a boatload of laughs. To keep it versatile, in seconds, Taga 2 turns from a family bike into a lockable cargo bike with extra load space on top. We use disc brakes and a Shimano gear, and you can always easily turn it into an electric bike for effortless long-distance rides. Now for the fun part. Apart from the wind in their hair, we wanted the kids to have a truly enjoyable adventure on our bikes. So we added the accessory bar, to which you can attach a variety of fun add-ons. Yes, there's also a water gun. And when it rains, or if the kids just want some privacy, there's the Royal Canopy. Let's see, what else? Nope, it can't fly. Yet. But it can all be taken apart to fit in your car trunk. Oh, and the seats come in a variety of colors. Because, you know, the personal touch transforms our own ultimate bike into your own ultimate bike. Last, but certainly not least, the price. While creating the Taga 2, we never forgot the one thing everyone asked.
Make it affordable.
Make it affordable.
Make it affordable.
So we did. Because to turn the family bike trend into a real revolution, we had to make it accessible for everyone. Whether you use it for a weekend trip, a drop-off, for shopping, or to carry your loyal friends, the Taga 2 is an ideal solution. Our company has a proven track record, so this is one of those projects you can back safely. We need your help to make this piece of family fun a reality. So back Taga and help us make the ultimate family bike. Taga.